Our basic detox bundle has our Restore Detox Protein Powder, has our WLS Formulated Probiotic, and our WLS Formulated Digestive Enzyme. This bundle is perfect for weight loss surgery patients who need some additional detoxification support because maybe you've been off track with your diet for a long period of time, or maybe you need a little support with your digestion. Maybe your symptoms are not extreme, but they are there. So this basic bundle really has some powerful ingredients that can take you far. So if you want to have both, you want to work on healing your gut, but you also need to support detoxification because you know you have some genetic SNPs that your liver needs some additional support. Or maybe you have no idea about your genetics, but you know you need to support it because you've been told you have fatty liver. So that would be a great addition to use this basic bundle. The ingredients used in our protein powder, it is 18 grams of protein with a bone broth protein isolate is what we use, which is known to heal leaky gut. And it's rich in glutamine and collagen, plus we have added vitamins and minerals that are known to heal the gut lining. It also has our fruit and vegetable blend, which is kind of thinking of it like our powdered greens and reds. So maybe you're horrible at eating fruits and vegetables, or you are a picky eater and you've not really been good at eating fruits and vegetables. This would be a great protein for you to kind of help get you back on track and get your body what it needs and what it's lacking and boost those phytonutrients and antioxidants and really help get you back on track and feeling fabulous. It can also help with improving bowel regularity. So we utilize glucomannan, and this is a water-soluble fiber. So this water-soluble fiber is really good for improving constipation so that you can have a bowel movement every day. That's a part of detoxification. That is another phase of detoxification, is having regular bowel movements. So you've got to have something in there to help you have a daily bowel movement, or you're not going to be, your body's not going to do the right thing with detoxification. You're going to reabsorb some of those toxins, and it's going to take nutrients down wrong pathways that are connected to cancer and other health problems. So the glucomannan is a key piece. Glucomannan is also known to balance blood sugars and actually improve weight loss. So it's a really good ingredient to have in a detox formula because of all these attributes that it has. You're still going to get 25 billion CFUs, 12 strains of live active probiotics. You're going to get a chicory root fiber probiotic from a starch. So that will help also with growing your good bacteria and boosting their fiber. And it supports the digestion of proteins, fats, carbohydrates. All those macronutrients can really help you maximize absorption, as well as improve meat tolerance. So maybe you do struggle a little bit with tolerating some of the meats, those solid, dense meats. That's where those WLS digestive enzymes are a perfect fit for this. So if you've had weight loss surgery and you have a few digestive symptoms, not a lot, but you really want to support your liver because you have a history of fatty liver, or you know you have genetic SNPs that need some additional support, I would encourage you to utilize this basic detox bundle to help you get back on track with combining with our 10-day or our 30-day challenge.